Okay everybody, replacing a drive shaft on the quad bike today. So you can see down here, this one's seen better days, full of rust and mud. Makes it hard to steer the quad bike because that has to turn internally because this is the front axle. So I've got a new one here. They're really easy to do. There's not a great deal to them. It's just a matter of pulling the wheel off and the hub and dropping one of the hub support bolts out to allow that drive shaft to fall out. So won't be a very hard job to do, hopefully. And yeah, we'll run you through just a little bit of a quick rough guide of how to do it. So we'll rip the wheel and hub off and see if we can get the shaft out. Right, so we've got the hub off, we took the brake caliper off. There's only two 13mm bolts that hold it on this model. So now we have to take this knuckle off, which shouldn't be too bad. Oh, looks like we've got some worn out ball joints as well. Not really. Alright, so we've got this arm off. Whether or not this ball joint was meant to fall out, oh yeah, it must do. It's got like a click-in sort of spring, so that's fine. Now we just got to get this drive shaft out. So you can usually give them a yank. And sometimes they'll come out, but not always. Otherwise we'll have to get in there with the pry bar to get it. Literally just turned the GoPro off because I thought this might take a while to get this out. As soon as I turned it off, grabbed it, yanked it, came straight out. I'm not sure how that happened, but it did. These are just retained by a little clip here that clicks in a groove in the center of that housing there. So that's all that holds them. That's why they just pull out. But you can see this one's pretty knackered. You can hear it too. And pretty worn out and yeah, obviously just full of rust and dirt. So I'm going to dispose of that. Alright, sprayed a heap of like copper E's in there, like rust off, not rust off, anti-seize. So that's why it's that orange colour. So now I'll just do the reverse, put the new drive shaft in, bolt it all back together, and yeah, hopefully it's better than what it was. Obviously there's worn out bushes. We might give this a grease as well, this bottom suspension arm, because it's greasable. That should take some of the slop out of the bushings and whatever, so we'll do that. So yeah, there's the grease. You can see the movement in there. Those bushes will be worn, but I'm not too concerned about it. So we'll just do the reverse. Get this shaft in there, like that. And then, yeah, just a matter of feeding all this stuff back onto it. Rightio, she's all back together. New drive shaft in. Grease those bottom control arms on both sides. I'll just take a little bit of the slop out of it. But yeah, that's pretty easy to do. I reckon it didn't even take me 20 minutes. That was like, yeah, so easy. Most four-wheel drive motorbikes, they're similar setup, so you don't really have much of a challenge on your hands if you're doing it. These Polarises, they're pretty easy to work on. Yeah, but anyway, that's pretty much, yeah, basics of how you get it all done. It's, yeah, dead simple. Anybody should be able to really do it. Yeah, so hopefully you found the video of some help to you if you're doing that, and yeah, good luck with it. So we'll catch us in the next one. All right.